Hi, this is Jeff Curtis, General Manager at Luxul at ISE this week, showing off our new product we're about to introduce and launch this year called ProWatch. ProWatch is a remote monitoring and management software package. Installs on a laptop, iPhone, or other device where you can remotely monitor and manage any sites that you set up at locations. So I can go in, I can pick a specific site I've set up, and with that I get a lot of information on it. So I can set critical alarms or alerts. I can see all the devices on my network, those that need firmware updates, and really customize the alerts and settings for this particular site so I can get an alarm or alert if there's a problem with that. What's really cool is it lets you remotely do a lot of things that you may need to do. Oftentimes devices will get stuck on the network and simply need to be rebooted. So if I've got a PDU on the network, I can come in, get the information that I have for those. I can go to the outlets, and if I've got a critical device plugged into outlet 1, I just hit reset. That's going to automatically reboot that device remotely. 9 times out of 10, that's going to resolve the problem. So, again, introducing ProWatch is a new remote monitoring and management solution here at ISE. If you don't get a chance to see us at the show, stop back or give us just look it up on our website, www.luxul.com. Thanks.